Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Twitter GoPro X CHK on the daily weekly time frame. So the Twitter bulls held that triple bottom at 1675 and saw some follow through, breaking a couple of the short-term resistance levels. We're now looking at 1716 and 1715, the high of last Wednesday and today. And if we can get over that level, we have the middle Bollinger Band and the 100-day moving average resistances. Both will be converging in the mid-$17 range. So short-term bullish action. We're not changing the lower high pattern, lower highs and lower lows over the past 3 weeks. To do that, we're going to have to bounce and then set a higher low and a higher high, because as of right now, we're just coming right off the low. We haven't really consolidated. We do have that 1675 level, but in order to see a move over 1772 and 1784, I do believe that we are going to have to stair step our way up unless we see some significant bull volume. But with the market so strong and the Twitter bulls not seeing that significant bull volume, it's hard to imagine, aside from perhaps individual company news, what could be a catalyst for that to occur. So the weekly time frame has a clear rejection from the 100-week resistance for 2 weeks in a row. We consolidated for 2 weeks, and now the bulls are trying to put an end to that consolidation and form a bullish reversal candlestick. In order to change this momentum on the weekly time frame from the bears, we are going to have to get over that 100-week resistance. And that level right now is 1783 and dropping. GoPro on the daily, we were looking for a bullish reversal candlestick indicating a higher low compared to 1054. We bounced off the middle Bollinger Band daily support, and we do have a higher low, higher high pattern. So if 1070, our new higher low, can hold, if we can see a green day tomorrow confirming this reversal candlestick, we'll be looking back up at the 1189 resistance, and the bulls remaining in control of this daily trend. The weekly time frame has to get over the 100-week resistance as well, and that's at 1143. We've rejected the past 2 weeks, and we're approaching that level now. This week, we just have to see a close over it to be looking at a lack of resistance area, because over this 100-week resistance, we're going to be looking up. The next resistance won't be until the $15 range. So if we can clear 1189 and the 100-week, there's a lot of upside potential due to that lack of resistance where we dumped back in October 2016. X on the daily time frame, 2647 is resistance. We're getting right to that level. We've had multiple days now on Thursday and today where the bears were in significant control on the daily, and in the morning, I should say, and it completely shifted around with the bulls buying the dip, taking control, and really seeing a complete 180 turnaround. So we've had now 6 green days in a row. If we do break 2647, we will then be looking for higher lows and higher highs to follow through. If we cannot break 2647 and we start to consolidate tomorrow, we will look to form a higher low somewhere at the 50-day moving average around that area, as it's going to be approaching 25 psychological support. So that will be a key level, but 2647 and 2641, 2 very important resistances to be watching first thing tomorrow. The weekly is following through with the bullish reversal candlestick off the 200-week moving average support, and that is a good sign for the bulls, keeping the stair-stepping higher low weekly pattern intact as we head back to a few resistance levels. Again, it's going to be 2647, and then I'd be looking at 2685 after that. But one step at a time. Bulls are going to have to see 6 green days, or make that 7 green days in a row, to get through those resistance levels on a strong note tomorrow. CHK, bulls bought the dip in a big way on the gap down open. We started this week with both natural gas and oil dumping into oversold conditions, and both had an oversold bounce start to play out. And the energy names like CHK saw more of a significant recovery than the actual commodities themselves this morning. So that's a good sign for the bulls. We do have a higher low now. That's at 408, and resistance is 438 and 449. So significant buying of the dip. The weekly time frame trying to form a higher low after the top of the bounce was set last week, and we're watching the middle Bollinger Band resistance. That's at 449 and dropping. So that's what we've got as we head into tomorrow, watching for GoPro confirmation if we see another green day and that higher low to be maintained on that daily chart. Thanks again. We'll see you tomorrow.